Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect Stripe to GoHighLevel so payments can be accepted, actions managed, and billing automated for clients. This integration is essential for handling subscriptions, invoices, and one-time payments directly inside the system. Now, on the GoHighLevel dashboard, all we need to do is click on Settings. In the Settings menu, we simply scroll down until we see Integrations. In the Integrations section, we click on the search bar and type in Stripe. This is the Stripe integration. It may appear with a slightly different name, but it is the correct one. Once we click on it, just click Manage. Here, we can see the Stripe option. We simply click Connect to link Stripe to the account. Let's wait for the page to load. Once the page is ready, just enter the Stripe account details to continue. If there is no account yet, we can choose an email and password to create one and log in. Once logged in, Stripe is now connected to GoHighLevel. That's all it takes to connect Stripe to GoHighLevel. With payments set up, we can manage transactions and run the business more efficiently.